So most people, when they go to the dentist, get a toothbrush from their dentist. And I'm sure that toothbrush is going to be a perfect toothbrush for you and your family. But if you're buying a toothbrush at the store, let's talk about a couple of things. Most people want to have it feel like they're really getting their teeth cleaned, and you may be tempted to use a medium or hard bristled toothbrush. Very important that you stay away from that and that you're using a soft or even an ultra soft bristled toothbrush. The toothbrush that has the soft bristles is going to do just as good a job in cleaning your teeth and removing plaque, but it's going to be much kinder to your tooth structure. And most people are suffering from a loss of the enamel, which is the outer covering of their teeth, and medium or hard bristled toothbrushes can really contribute to that. So just a word of advice to stay away from that. Try and stick with a soft or ultra soft bristled toothbrush.